Dawn arrives as a lone camper treks a mossy trail, learning nature speaks through silence and tracks. A misted meadow reveals a hidden spring, offering fresh water and signs of unseen animals nearby. They practice leave no trace, pack out waste, and listen for owls that guard the land's quiet hours. A ranger tells how this site survived storms and drought through community care and steady, respectful footsteps. Under a velvet sky, the camper realizes nature teaches patience, balance, and responsible adventure.